Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a how to create a cat eye, a perfect cat eye. So I'm gonna go through each little step, what products you should use, what makes it easier, and I'll show you two different ways to do this beautiful cat eye, which we love, and it's such an amazing look. It makes you look sexier, and it's easy too. Once you know how to do your cat eye, this beautiful line, it just makes your life so much easier the days when you don't want to elaborate so much on your eye. So you just do a cat eye in like a big lip or a nude lip and you're ready to go. So I love cat eye looks. It's definitely one of my go-tos and I want to make sure you guys know how to do it. Do not be scared. You will be able to do it. It just takes a little practice. I think I've done a video like this before, but it's so old that I decided to do another one. I still get requests on how to do a cat eye. So I really hope you enjoy it and be positive. You will be able to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so to create this cat eye, what I recommend you use is gel liner. And there's so many brands that carry amazing gel liners. You can choose from Stila, which is the one that I'm using today, but Bobbi Brown, MAC, all of the brands pretty much have a gel liner. So it will be easy for you to find one. Even drugstore ones if you want to try it out first before buying a more expensive one. So I just recommend for you to look for the blackest one, the darkest black, which is gonna make your cat eye look more dramatic and beautiful, okay? So today I'm gonna use the Stila Smudge Pot, which looks like this. And to go with it, you will need a really tiny brush. Look for, if you don't have one, just look for a eyeliner brush or a winged liner brush. So this is a winged one from Sigma, E06, but there's this shape too, which is just like a little pointy one. But for you to start out and make it perfect cat eye, it's better to get this mini winged one, which has like a little tiny cut on the side. So here I'm not trying to say that you won't be able to create a beautiful cat eye with a pencil or a liquid pen, but trust me, it will be easier for you if you start with a gel. And all my life pretty much I've done, of course I can do a cat eye with a pen, for example, a liquid pen, but which is like this, right? But this is much harder for you to control your line and your strokes and that little detail that you're gonna do. Because the pen, it goes on, it's very easy to mess up, okay? That's my point. So with the gel, you have more control of what you're doing. So again, you can try it with the liquid pen, but my recommendation to you is to start with a gel liner and continue doing it with the gel liner for your whole life. I'm a huge fan of gel liners because really it's the best product for you to create your cat eye with, okay? So, by the way, you guys, the lipstick that I'm wearing today is Chocolate Souffle from Kylie Cosmetics. It's super pretty, it's like a cherry color. I know you guys are gonna ask, so. And all right, let's start. I'm gonna zoom it in a little so you can see all the details. I already have mascara on, but for you that's starting, it's good to not have anything on your eye, your mascara, your lashes on, because it could make it a little harder for you. But I recorded a video before this, so I had it on and I can keep it on. But try not to have any mascara on when you do this. And if you are still practicing, another thing, don't have any shadows on or anything. Practice it first without anything on your eyes, any product on your eyes. And then when you are pro at it, you can put product and like glitter or whatever you want and do it. Just to make it easier, okay? So first step is apply the gel on your brush. A little bit of it. Don't apply too much, okay? And what you're gonna do, I know a lot of people use tape to make it easier for them, and it does, but I really want to teach you guys how to do it without a tape. It's just pretty much following the line of your eye towards your brow, okay? You will see it. So my suggestion is to start on your root, just like really close to your lash root. Not making a wing yet, just a line right there. Start really thin and build it up, okay? Let's try to create like a medium cat eye today. You can make it really thin if you want. You can make it really thick. But then today I'm just gonna go like medium so that it fits all eyes. If you don't have a lot of space here in your eye, it's best for you to do a really thin cat eye so that it doesn't hide your whole eye. And if you have a lot of space, then you can go thicker. I have a lot of space. So what are we gonna do now? So we just created a line following our eye line, right? So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna trace a line following the bottom line of your eye towards your eyebrow. You can even put like a pencil or anything right here and do it. So now you're gonna trace a line right here following your hair root. So the line should be following the tip of your nose and the end of your eye. So if you put a pencil right here, tip of nose, end of eye, that's the line you're gonna follow, okay? So that it's not too arched up and not too down. So it's right there. But then we can fix that line later. You don't have to worry too much of how perfect it is because then I'll teach you a trick. First you do this line and then you're gonna connect this line. This is the real thing right here. You're gonna connect this line with the line that we have already created. Connect it and then fill it in. Okay, close your eye. It's hard to see with just one eye, but try to close your eye and connect this and just make it as straight as possible. Okay, so as you can see, this is too thick right here. So I always do this. What do? I get a makeup remover towel. I put it on the tip of my finger and then I go in and I just erase following a straight line. You see? How much better is that? So this is gonna change the whole game after you do that. And you guys, I'm using a super far away mirror. Maybe I should get something to look closer. Look how beautiful that is looking. So build it up, and here I'm making it a bit thicker so it looks even. And I'm gonna start filling in the inner corner. And using a brush with this shape will help you a lot, okay? And there you go. You have a beautiful cat eye. Okay, so now if you are really thinking to yourself, I cannot do this, I need an easier way to do this, then I'm gonna teach you a trick with the tape. You're gonna get a little piece of tape and you're gonna put it right here, following that line that we talked about. Okay. Careful not to tape your eye off. Just make sure you measure it. Yep. And then we're gonna start filling it in the same way, okay? First root. And then you're gonna go on the outside and just follow this line. Trace it, don't make it too long, and then connect it. And color it in. Without being scared, because you have a tape right now. And always compare it to your other eye. How thick you made it. So that one is not completely different from the other. Now we remove the tape. And you see, it helped you a lot. So now we're just gonna perfect it. Now what bothers me is that here's a bit fat. So we're gonna go back and do the same thing. Get your makeup wipe and wipe it off on a straight line. I feel that this one is a bit longer, so I'm gonna remove the tip of it. So that they're the same size. And there you have a beautiful cat eye. Okay, and now if you want to use a pen, a liquid pen, go in and perfect it. That's totally fine. I mean, your line is already done, like your shape is already done. So if you just want to go in with the pen and perfect some little things, which is hard to get with the gel because it's thicker, you can do it like really close to the lash root on the inside here. And voila! This is it. And I'm gonna say it again. You're not gonna be able to do it you're not gonna be able to do it at the first time. You're gonna have to practice until you're a pro at it, okay? It's more about figuring out what shape looks better on your eye, if it's thicker, if it's thinner, longer, or shorter, and you will get it, I promise. So I really hope you like this quick tutorial on how to do a perfect cat eye. I hope that the tape helps you out. And if you really can't do it with the gel, if you really find it challenging, try it with the pen, but go really thinner and work it out and work your way out, okay? So yeah, if you like the video, please rate it positively and make sure to rock this cat eye this week, okay? I will see you guys next time. Stay beautiful. Bye.